Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we are trying to see if we can finish up the radiator mount here. We have this piece here. I finally have been able to weld aluminum. It's not perfect, but it is better than anything I've done in the past. So we're gonna cut this down. I've got a line right around here. We're gonna cut that on the bandsaw, and then it'll sit up in here, and we can bolt it to this front radiator support, or the front core support. We have another one here that's the start of the mount for that side. So we'll get this one here finished and all wrapped up and make sure it all fits how I want it to, and then we'll copy it on the other side. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully we can get that done today and have this radiator mounting just about wrapped up. So anyway, let's just get to it and see what we can get done. All right, we made some great progress this week. We have the radiator mounted. We have our top brackets done, the lower stuff we had done before. We'll still add some rubber isolators to all this, but radiator is in place, looking good. I think this is gonna work out well. So, still pushing forward. Hopefully we can move back under the dash here next week. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.